Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you lesson of economics class 10th, globalization and the Indian economy. So to understand the chapter, first of all we should know what does it mean. What is the meaning of globalization? So it is an rapid integration or interconnection between the countries through foreign trade and foreign investment by the MNCs. So how does these multinational company spreads its production? What are these MNCs? So to understand what is MNCs, we should know the definition. A multinational company is a company that owns and controls production in more than one nation. MNCs set up offices and factories for production in regions where they can get cheap, skilled and unskilled labor along with other resources. Why do they do? This is done so that the cost of production is low and MNCs can earn greater profits. But how do these multinational companies they interlink the production across the globe? There are different ways, and through these ways they interact with the local producers and buy the goods from them and sells in the international markets. So these are the different ways. Here the first one is investment policy. Now this investment policy means when these multinational companies they invest in the different parts of the world, that is called as foreign investment. How do they invest? They buy the land in those countries where it is economically available. They raise the infrastructure, that buildings they have, then they install the machineries and other equipments and to get the raw material at the low rate so that they can earn the profit. Another way is joint production. Now with the joint production means, what does it mean? They collaborate with the local companies. So in this way the local manufacturers are benefited with the latest technology that they are able to get and the new machines for their faster production. Here is one example I will give you, that is the Ford Motors of the America, which is one of the largest automobile manufacturing company in the world. It came to India in 1995 and with the collaboration of Mahindra and Mahindra, which is known for production of jeeps and trucks, invested 1700 crore rupees, a place near Chennai. Now this company at present is selling 88,000 cars which are made in India, and they sell in India itself and abroad near about 1,81,000 to the distant land or distant countries, for example Brazil, Mexico, South Africa and even United States of America. The next way is they buy the local companies. Okay, so what is the buy the local companies means? The local company which is very famous in any country, they buy and then they change the name and sell the products in their own name. For example, India, that is the Parag Foods. This Parag Food company, well established company in India, had its vast network in the country and well established brand was purchased, was bought by the Cargill Foods of American company. This Parag Food had 4 oil refineries and now the ownership of this company of oil is shifted to the Cargill Foods, and it is one of the now largest edible oil manufacturing with 5 million pouches in India. Next example is they place the orders. What does it mean here? Means local manufacturers are ordered to produce the goods for these multinational companies. For examples, garments, footwears, sports items, etc. Means local people in Ludhiana also that they produce the goods for this multinational company. For example, that is the footballs and other things. So they supply to these multinational companies, and these multinational companies they have the right, they are having influence, they can fix the price, what do they want, okay, and how much they have to pay to the laborers, what will be the working conditions. It is under their control, they can fix on their own, and this way they earn the They cut the cost of the production and earn the maximum profits. But next topic which I will be telling you, that is the foreign trade and the factors, technology, how does it help to spread the market of the MNCs in the world. That is in the next session. Thank you.